At some churches in Kigali, there are random coronavirus tests performed. Participants believe that knowing one's status gives them peace of mind and assurance to stick to the health guidelines in place to continue the fight against COVID-19 pandemic while in places of worship.
Twajyaga tuza tukakaraba sanitizer, hari amazi nkuko mubibona byose.
We used to go to church and clean our hands with water and sanitizer before proceeding to pray. But now they have added the component of taking a COVID-19 test. Because everyone is tested, people are sitting comfortably and happy. We thank our government for the steps it has taken. And you have heard that some places of worship have been allowed to congregate every day.
Ababishoboye gusenga buri munsi bazajya basenga.
Rwose nge biranashimishije cyane kuko iyi service.
I'm just happy to have tested for COVID-19 free of charge. It makes me happy to come to prayer and also leave knowing my COVID-19 status. That helps me to continue protecting myself and those around me. As soon as you get the answer that you don't have COVID-19, your spirit is lifted to praise God even better. Rwanda Edson, the head of RBC's National Center for Epidemics, says the prevalence of the disease has been reduced. The fact that we tested 655 people and all results returned negative does not mean that there is no COVID-19, but it does show that the infection rate is at least lower than in the recent days. This means something very encouraging. This means that we may have been out of the third wave, which had been there for days, while we had high infection rate and a large number of patients in critical condition. Now the cases are declining, which is why we continue to test, especially in some public places that attract large gatherings, which could easily be hotspots for the spread of the virus. We don't want to go back where we've come from. On the same day, at least 170 people received COVID-19 vaccines around the churches where random COVID-19 testing exercise took place. In addition to testing COVID-19 in churches, this weekend, the Rwanda Biomedical Center conducted testing activity in different bars in the city of Kigali, where a total of 672 people, including staff and clients, were tested from 13 bars and all results returned negative. Reporting for RwandaTV News, Ethan Tashobir.